Alright guys, welcome back to my channel once again. It's your girl Jessica. I'm here today again with another beautiful video teaching you guys how to get free coins from the treasure box and the fireworks on Poppo. If you are not familiar with Poppo, all you just need to do is to go to my channel and check the video explaining everything about it. You can start and register, and the video will enlighten you more on the app so you can start earning your money. So today I'll be showing you how to get free coins from the treasure box. You can see the treasure box. Alright, I'm in seat 2 right now, performing my tax. Yeah, when I'm done with my tax, I'll be paid. And look at where I circled above that is counting. That is the treasure box. That is going to be counting 5 minutes down. When it gets to 00.00, I can be able to collect free coins from the treasure box. Sometimes if you want to get coins from this treasure box, it will not grant you the coins, because they will tell you tax undone. Make sure you are done with one or two of your tax of the day and received your money, so you can be able to get free coins from the treasure box afterwards. Because some people will be having issues. They'll be like, the treasure box is not giving me any coin. But if you I've not done any tax, it might not even give you sometimes. So make sure you are doing your tax, and you should have done some amount of tax before you get it. So I'm going to be waiting for it to get to 00. Okay guys, that's actually gotten to 00.0. I can tap on it and receive my coins. But right now, as I tapped on it now, it showed me tax undone, because it's what I told you guys just now, that I just started my tax right now, so I was not being given the coins. It told me tax undone. So all I did was to wait for some few minutes again. Then as I waited for some few minutes, I tapped it back. When I tapped it back, it gave me 40 coins free. And it told me to, yeah, look at, as I tapped it now, it awarded me with 40 coins. And they say I should play game. It's not compulsory you play game. If you're familiar with the game, you can play game. If you're not familiar, I'm making videos on how to play the games on earlier afterwards, so you guys can be able to play games with your coins and win more coins in return. Yes, coins is also money. When you get enough coins, you can do exchange, and when you do exchange, it will be given to you back into your withdrawable amount. You can withdraw it into your bank account directly. So guys, you can keep doing this whenever you are doing your tax. Keep tapping on the box to get your free coins anytime you are doing your sit on a party tax. You don't need to be on the app. Sometimes you can go and do that thing you want to do on your phone. Just make sure you mute your mic so you will not disturb those that are doing their tax too, and come back time to time to come and check, because sometimes network can kick you out from the crown seat, and if you kick you out, someone else will take over, and that's it. You cannot be able to sit again. You have to go and look for somewhere else, because sometimes crown seat is always scarce for people to get. So that's just one advice for you. Do not just leave your party and do not come back and come and check yourself. You don't know, you might be thinking it is counting, but you don't know that people have already network has removed you. So guys, that's how to get coins from the treasure box. Now I'm going to move on how to get coins from the fireworks. If you see down there, sometimes you will see this flag that will pass from right to left, saying you that 60 minutes 60 seconds later a fireworks is going to boom. You will see it in the comment section also. When you sit in the comment section, all you just need to do is to tap go to see. When you tap on go to see, to take you into another live stream. When you take into another live stream, all you just have to do is to stay there for like a minute or plus. When you stay there, when you hear the fireworks boom, boom, it will shoot up, and it will tell you that what your fireworks has been received. That's how to take fireworks from the this thing, or from Poppo. Don't mind me, I'm taking another coins before I come and show you guys how to get coins from the fireworks. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. So I've clicked on go to see, and it took me to this pretty lady's live stream. So I'm currently in a live stream, but the network is disrupting. So you can see many people are entering inside a live stream, because many people want free coins. Who doesn't like free things? So that is what that's why people are there. If you want to blow a fireworks by yourself, you can also blow fireworks by yourself. All you need is 50,000 coins. When you blow the fireworks, make sure you lock your seat if you are doing a party, or make sure everybody is seated on your seat. Everybody you want to be seated on your seat should be seated, so you can people that are coming to come and get free coins can gamble on you. So that's it. You just need 50,000 coins. So guys, I didn't know why I didn't see the fireworks boom. I waited for a few minutes. Already, if you wait for a few minutes, it's going to boom. Yes, when it boom, you will hear the fireworks sound. It will appear above and you to show you that fireworks received by your left hand side, just like where it's showing you this person joined, you will see it fireworks received. And if you don't have coin in your coin balance, you will see that there will be an increase in your coins. If you want to confirm if you really got coins from the fireworks, you can also check your top up coins. And when you have top up to top up your coins, tap on it, you check the details of your coins, how you received coins and all sort of things. So that's just it. I waited for it to boom, but it did not boom. Maybe my network, because sometimes network can disrupt you from getting fireworks free coins from the fireworks. That's just one thing that I need to tell you. Network can make you not to get free coins from the fireworks. So guys, if you've gotten something from this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and say a beautiful comment. I'll be seeing you in my next video.